Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with music and sound effects. That's right, this is an ongoing series that we're going to have fun creating music and sound effects from everyday items. So hang tight and come on back for some fun. So here we have an old washboard and a spoon. Now I wonder what I could do with an old washboard and a spoon. This is what it looks like, what it looked like originally, right there. And somebody took it and decorated it with paint. But here's the thing, it can make music as well. In fact, what a lot of people will do is they'll put, drill a hole there and put a rope and hang it around their neck. And they can do this. You ready? Ready? Just like that, because this is metal. Somebody again painted it, and you can see I'm chipping off the paint as I scrape it back and forth. I paid $3 for this at a thrift store, but you may have one in your house already. It is kind of a vintage type of item, but I think they still make these so you can buy them at maybe one of those farm supply stores or what have you. But it's fun because you're using just a basic spoon on this metal part here. See, you're getting kind of a little rhythm going there, but that's one sound. Here's another sound. See if you're using the edge of it that time. See if you're doing sideways. Kind of similar, but the main thing is you can have fun with it. You can make sounds, you can make it do all sorts of things. Now, maybe you could even use it for a sound effect. What could this be? Could be the prop on an airplane. Could that be a prop on an airplane? Maybe a helicopter? Just like that. You see all that paint chipping off? Here it is. That's right. It's an old style washboard and a spoon, and you can have lots of fun. Thanks again for coming along. This is the DIY Magician with how to create music and sound effects with everyday items. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.